Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! How are you today? Tonight, our princess are going to a birthday party. We need to make them some beautiful outfits. First, princess, I will make her stand out in an amazing blue dress. But first, we need to make a base. I use Play-Doh container to get perfect shape for the base. Like this. Then, I need to make a small hole to keep the princess stand inside the base, like this. Now, I will cut a half circle and wrap it around the base. Then, I need a small piece to make a top. I will make a small strip to make an off-shoulder dress. So cute! Let's start decorate for the bottom. Some blue flower stickers would be so cute. I will add some pearls too. Perfect! I will make the dress stand out with mixed color stones at the center. I will add some blue and white stones at the front. Look great! Let's move to the top. Do you have any idea for the top? Some blue stones and pearls for the shoulder. I will add a belt for the dress. I want some stars on the bottom so the dress will look more shiny. We just finished our first dress. The princess looks stunning now. I wish I could have a dress like this for my birthday. Let's move on with another princess. She might be very eager for her turn. Do you have any idea to dress Rapunzel tonight? How's about a pink flower dress? Firstly, we still need a base to keep the princess stable. I will cut a half of circle, then wrap it around the base to make the bottom. I will add a small piece in light pink for the top. I will use a pink strip to make a wave on the front for the bottom. Like this. Looks cute. Let's make another one. Now, I will make some flowers for the foot of the dress. The flowers have two shades of pink Play-Doh. I use cake cutter to get a perfect shape for the flowers. Ta-da! After stacking them together, I have beautiful flowers. Now, I will lay them on the bottom of the dress. I will make a simple top with some stones. We just finished dressing another princess. Rapunzel must be excited to show the dress to everyone. Let's move on with our third princess. How do you want to dress princess tonight? She just whispered to me that she wants a green dress. Let's make a beautiful green dress for her. For the base, I will make it a little bit taller and smaller for an A-style dress. I will cut a rectangle-shaped Play-Doh to make a bottom. It's quite long, so I will shape it in a bit. Now, I will cut a small piece for the top. I want to make a one-side shoulder top. Looks cute. I will add some white stones for the bottom. I will make some flowers in green and white. A small belt in green would be nice. I will add some stones and pearls to make the dress more shiny. I just finished sweat dressing our princess. The Princess Snow White is ready for the party tonight. Let's move on to another princess. Princess Mermaid is so excited for her new dress tonight. A purple dress will make her stand out. Do you think so? Let's see. First, we still need a base for the dress. I will cut rectangle layer in purple to cover the base. Let's trim the bottom a bit as it's quite long. I will use purple and white stone for the foot of the dress. Looks good. I will make a big flowers by stones for the bottom. I use light purple to make an off-shoulder top. Let's add some details to make the bottom to stand out. I just finished making another dress for Princess Mermaid. The purple dress goes so well with her hair colors. Let's move on with our last princess. How do you want to dress her tonight? Princess Belle can't wait to see her dress. I will make the dress in mermaid style, so I need to shape the base thinner and smaller. I will cut orange Play-Doh in rectangle, then I will use it to wrap around the base. The dress is quite long. I will trim it a bit. Perfect! Let's make a folded layer for the bottom of the dress. Do you remember how to make it? We need to cut a strip, then fold it and light it on the base. Do you think yellow goes very well with orange? I will make another folded layers. I need a small piece for the top. Looks great! I will use some stones to line out the top of the folding layers. Let's add some pearls and stones. So cute! We just finished the last dress for the Princess Bella. She will be really happy tonight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.